Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yeah, guys! Finally, I'm going to get my face done. I'm going to get my face done by my daughter-in-law. I'm going to let her introduce herself.
What's up, YouTube fam? It's your girl Queen TC. Yes, coming back with another video, and we are ready to slay.
All right. I'm going to let my daughter-in-law. You love me. I
This should
trust
be good.
her. We love each other.
Yes, we do.
Say hi, Joshua.
Hi. Oh, that looks good.
Okay. Kay's supposed to have everything. She
I
is.
don't have everybody's skin tone.
I just don't know what to do with it. Okay, all right.
This is Pomades
Okay,
Skin Therapy Oil.
I'm getting therapy.
Lord, why you talking?
Just keep doing that. Don't ever stop.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
Let me get up. Come. Go, get in there.
Wait,
You see the camera?
My sons, they know how to.
Oh, so this is Milk Makeup's primer. Oh, your skin is really good.
That
It's really smooth.
LeBri stuff I've been using, that's really been good.
Water is drying your eyebrows. So I'm using the pencil right now. This is the Benefit Cosmetics pencil. And then I'm going to use the dip pomade. I'm sorry guys if I'm covering the camera where y'all can't see. Yeah, just look at me just slightly.
From your son. Come here, son. Your love for me was bigger than anything I could ever imagine until I had a family of my own. Thanks for being a great role model and a wonderful mom.
You open it and get a key to a lemon.
All right.
I still owe you one.
Oh, so good. So I like to use pomade just to darken it up a little bit. I'm just darkening the outer part of it. Okay.
So what y'all think? I've been in this chair for 8 hours.
8 hours.
Can y'all see my long, luscious lashes?
Well, it's not working for me.
They've always been there. What y'all think? My husband usually asks me,
Can you have another one?
I'll say I look brown.
There's a bag. Give him a bag. Did you eat the whole bag?
Oh Lord, now she's feeling herself.
How would you make it? This is how
Yeah, he can
I...
eat the whole thing.
Not some of that flavor.
Trust me.
I can't put everything now. Here, because I'm trying to make sure that don't fall.
Aloe.
Everybody's trying to tell me what to do and how to do it. You know? Okay, now, for that bit of drama. Can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. And I don't even have no horse to tie on anyway. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Okay, now that we got the big reveal, and I know that now I'm the prettiest one in the house. I think all the girls should just come around me and put your face in the camera. Stay right there. Now we're twins. Look! Come on, Shanny. Oh, come on, Tay.
Where am I going to fit?
Right here, BG. There we go. Oh, we look beautiful.
Oh yeah, like something just close it out.
And this is my look done by
Queen TC.
We're going to do that overseas.
Okay.
Before I find you. Okay. And this is my look. Tell me what you think. It was done by
Queen TC on YouTube.
my daughter.
So maybe right, Joshua Goodwin,
Who is known as
McLovin on Facebook, actually everywhere, all the platforms.
all right, good job. Good job. She loves me, I can tell.
I do. See, that's what. See, she was complaining before because I was taking my time. But this is like a Mother's Day gift too.
All right.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe to her channel. If you guys want more content like this, if y'all want to see how she does her makeup every day, and comment down below if you really enjoyed it.
Yeah, you'll see how I do my makeup every day. It's like, when I'm done. Thank you guys.
Bye.